Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Lasco Manufacturing Limited trading in their shares. It's a sale here. A senior manager of Lasco Manufacturing selling down a total of 18,271 shares on September 13th, 2021. Now, General Insurance Company, that's Key Insurance Company Limited. The annual general meeting notice coming out here. That's an AGM notice. Now, this is an advisory to all shareholders of Key Insurance. It's actually that the AGM has been adjourned to October 6, 2021 at 2:30 p.m. Big financial news here. That's Sygnus Real Estate Finance IPO. Different than Sygnus Credit Investments, two different companies. It's falling a bit short here, but still bringing in a whopping Jamaican dollars 2.3 billion. Now, the target IPO capitalization here for SRF was further to their prospectus was actually 3.9 billion Jamaican dollars. So the basis of allotment came out just the other day, and further to their letter September 10th to the JSE about the extension. And the raise amount, as we spoke about, 2.3 billion, it's a 59%, let's say, against a target amount or hit rate. Not that bad given we're in this huge wave or peak wave of the pandemic COVID-19. But it's going to be under expectations. Now, Supreme Ventures Limited, their subsidiary announcement here, and it's an interesting one. That's ticker symbol SVL. Due to the company reevaluation and restructuring exercise, and this is a recently, formed or structured subsidiary, the role of CEO of Supreme Ventures Fintech Limited has been made redundant. That was just last week, Friday, September 17th, 2021. That role is redundant, heading right into that weekend, Saturday, Sunday, on the Friday, September 17th. Now, board director of said subsidiary and CEO of well-known Prime Sports Jamaica, Mr. Jesus Johnson, will assume the leadership role or the CEO role going forward. Last up tonight, we got better known as the Lab, but legal name Limners Bards Limited, building huge cash here. Looking at these results, cash and cash equivalents of $448 million in their latest results. I mean, just talk about profitability, retain earnings, and just growing more and more cash here as a publicly traded company. So the earnings are growing and just increasing. But the large takeaway, as we mentioned, is the cash on the balance sheet. This is for the period ended July 31st, 2021. Current ratio here now in excess of 3 times. Huge number. Once it's above 2 times, you're talking results here. So the year to date or 9 months earnings per share hitting 15 cents versus 11 cents Jamaican per share, up 36%, double-digit returns. Net profit for the 9 months, 142.1 million Jamaican dollars, a big number, and the revenue grew 942 million versus 686 million. Huge numbers here by the Lab. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.